Good afternoon. This is Dave at Vandenbush Irrigation, and we usually do Wisdom Wednesdays, but we're going to take a break from that, and we're going to have Dave's Dictionary for the next several weeks, and we're going to discuss proper terminology of pipe pieces, fittings, and the components we sell.
Hey Dave, I have these galvanized fittings on this pick ticket, and I just want to make sure they're the right ones.
Okay, well, we'll look at Dave's Dictionary, or in this case, we'll have our Bible from Beauchart, one of our suppliers in galvanized fittings. Like the cap on your head, cap goes over top of it, and it has female pipe threads. So this would fit on like a nipple that has male pipe threads on both ends. Something with female pipe threads on both ends is a galvanized coupler, and in order to plug that off, you'd use a plug which has male pipe threads. So you have a plug with male threads, coupler with female threads, a cap with female threads, and the nipple with male threads on both ends.
Thanks, Dave.
No problem, man.